Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we'll be talking about signs you are smarter than most people. Number 1. You are very curious. Curiosity and discovery never age. A neurological study has shown that curiosity makes our brains more receptive for learning, and that as we learn we enjoy the sensation of learning. A naturally curious mind takes interest in a wide range of subjects to find connections to help solve everyday problems better. Since the mind is like a muscle which becomes stronger through continual exercise. The mental exercise caused by curiosity makes your mind stronger and stronger. It makes your mind observant of new ideas when you are curious about something. Your mind expects and anticipates new ideas related to the subject. Number 2. Skepticism. Once you've developed a healthy skepticism, you'll be able to tell whether sources of information and analysis are objective or biased. A healthy skepticism can lead to problem solving, creativity, and innovation, as well as helping us develop the ability to think critically about the world around us. Number 3. You curse a lot. The benefits of swearing have just emerged in the last 2 decades. As a result of a lot of research on brain and emotion, along with much better technology to study brain anatomy. Well-educated people with plenty of words at their disposal. A 2015 study found were better at coming up with curse words than those who were less verbally fluent. Participants were asked to list as many words that start with F, A, or S in 1 minute. Another minute was devoted to coming up with curse words that start with those 3 letters. The study found those who came up with the most F, A, and S words also produced the most swear words. That's a sign of intelligence to the degree that language is correlated with intelligence. People that are good at language are good at generating a swearing vocabulary. Having the strategies to know where and when it's appropriate to swear, and when it's not is a social cognitive skill, like picking the right clothes for the right occasion. That's a pretty sophisticated social tool. Number 4. You are left-handed. Lefties are better at multitasking. They have always had to think more quickly as they have always faced right-handed challenges. This pays off later in life, because the communication between both of their brain hemispheres is that much faster and more efficient. Examining data on about 400,000 people, scientists discovered that the left and right hemispheres of the brain were better connected and more coordinated in regions involving language in left-handed people. Another study in the journal Brain in 2019 revealed that there are genetic differences between left-handers and right-handers. A 2007 study in the Journal of the Indian Academy of Applied Psychology found that out of 150 subjects, left-handed participants were significantly more likely to perform better on an intelligence test than right-handed people. Right-handers also took more time to complete the test. These traits suggest that left-handed individuals may have superior verbal skills. Number 5. You have musical ability. Science confirms that people who play music are smarter than others. Scientists found that while listening to music activates fireworks in the brain, which means multiple areas of the brain are engaged at once. The act of actually playing music is the equivalent of a full-body workout for your brain. Significant positive correlations between years of musical playing and cognitive abilities support the hypothesis that long-term musical practice is associated with intelligence and executive functions. Multiple studies that used brain scans found that those who are musically inclined display superior brain volume and more gray matter than non-musicians. The researchers also found supporting recent studies that intensive musical training is associated with an elevated IQ score. The research was partially supported by a Vanderbilt University Discovery Grant. Music helps to develop verbal memory, reading skills, and mathematical skills. Exposure to the right kind of music and sounds in these years helps to develop a higher IQ in the teenage years. Number 6. You prefer to be alone. We are used to the fact that social connections make us happier. Interacting with friends brings joy and meaning to our lives, and the more we communicate with people, the better we feel about ourselves. More intelligent individuals experience lower life satisfaction with more frequent socialization with friends. That means that smart people actually feel happiest when they're alone, and that's why people who prefer to be alone are smarter than others according to a study. Number 7. You talk to yourself. Talking to yourself may indicate a higher level of intelligence, which is now considered excellent news for your social standing. Speaking out loud to yourself has been discovered to be a trait of higher cognitive function, according to researchers at Bangor University. According to Psychology Living, generally, talking to yourself is a sign of higher intelligence. Those who talk to themselves, on the other hand, tend to achieve more in life. Is it good for your brain to talk to yourself? This inner dialogue is very healthy, and it plays an important role in keeping our minds fit. It aids in the organization of our thoughts, the planning of actions, the consolidation of memory, and the modulation of emotions. Number 8. You are artistically inclined. A study discovered that artists' brains are structurally different from non-artists' brains. Brain scans of participants revealed that artists had more neural matter in areas related to fine motor movements and visual imagery. The study, which was published in Neuroimage, suggests that an artist's talent may be innate. A study discovered that artists' brains are structurally different from non-artists' brains. Brain scans of participants revealed that artists had more neural matter in areas related to fine motor movements and visual imagery. The study, which was published in Neuroimage, suggests that an artist's talent may be innate. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Until next time.